What's up? My name is Michael. So I just want to do like a little makeup tutorial because I'm a faggot with some dreams. Just kidding. No, but seriousness, I kind of want to do like a makeup. I'm just gonna glue down my brows because fuck my regular brows, am I right? And I'll be back. So I know I look a little crazy right now. I'm just gonna try to. Oh, this powder. I tried the banana powder from Makeup Revolution. That's powder, I guess. We'll see how this makeup look. I'm gonna get the very little Pixie makeup mix fixing mist. I also put some LeBrons in it, just my Fenty Blur Filter Pro Filter. I've never done this before. We're gonna add some LeBrons because I think it'll look cool. If this doesn't work out, well, fuck it. Maybe this will like look good. Maybe I'm gonna look like shit. We don't know yet. I feel like it gave me a real good like shine, like gleam. And like, it looks good. It looks good off camera. I don't know on camera how in, color correct. And I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, contour palette in the shades, medium. It's a cool ass palette. And I'm just gonna like pat this in. Now we're gonna go with this Derma blend. I don't use the Derma blend. I used to use the Derma blend all over my face, but and my shade don't match. So I just use it for my brows because I end up covering it up. But this is what the foundation I use on my brows. It's in the color Golden Bronze. This is way too dark for me. But we're just gonna pop some foundation on. And how I do my pretty basic foundation. So yeah, so the two foundations are these two. I use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in 370. 370 is a little too dark. I think it's just like a shade too dark for me. It's more orange. Not so much orange, but it makes me look orange. So yeah, not my shade, but I do mix it with the medium 64 neutral by Kat Von D, the Lock-It full coverage tattoo foundation, whatever the fuck it's called. A Lock-It foundation. Yeah, because this one's neutral, and then I'll just warm it up a little bit or a lot, depending how I'm feeling with the Fenty Beauty one. Actually, no. What I do first? What the fuck? I don't know. Did I forget how to do makeup? Do I even know how to do makeup? No. Kind of. I'm going to use the Lock-It foundation in the color medium 52 neutral. This one's a little... Oh, okay. This one's lighter than my actual foundation color. I'm going to show you how I do this. Just plop it on. You're going to paint it on pretty much, so... Very round face, if you haven't noticed. I'm like what you would like to call a fat. So, my face is very round. So I like to give it more dimension. But then we're gonna go into my two colors. We're gonna blend out that highlight. Like, what am I blending out now? We'll add some more as we highlight the other high points. We're gonna go into the contour. So to contour, I do the Makeup Forever HD foundation stick and the color say R530 maybe, I don't know. Fucking no, just give me a number, like a simple number. And this might be hard to do because I need a camera or mirror, but I think I can do it. So I'm gonna show you. Cool. You really put on makeup and then halfway through you're just like, nah, I don't want to fucking do this anymore. Take me as I am or don't take me at all. So then from there, you blend that bitch out. Like, look at that. Oh, I'm fucking beautiful, man. Oh, fuck, I'm gorgeous. Okay, so that one's kind of more like the bronzing contour, if you will. And then I like to go with a cooler color, which is also a thinner stick, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills stick foundation in the color Cool Earth. Now this one you have to be careful with because it is dark, so we kind of just and this one is a lot harder to blend, so it does. Motherfucker. I don't know how to come out. Actually, what we'll use for this one, we're gonna change it because it is a little bit more. It's a little harder to blend, so we're gonna use this like foundation brush or this like contour brush. So yeah, that's kind of the base. Doesn't have to be perfect. Is it perfect? Not necessarily. Do I really care right now? Eyebrows next, because I want to try to put powder all over them as soon as I can. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because they're just gonna take forever, and I'm gonna be stressed out as fuck. I already feel it, so I'll do that off camera, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I did my brows. Took forever, and when I mean forever, I mean forever. The texture is really messed up. It just wasn't going good. But I really like this eyebrow shape, to be honest. Also, I started baking, which I don't know how I like the baking process so far. I probably need a little bit more powder here and there, actually. My bronzer, and I used the Saharan blush palette by Juvia's Place, and I use the color Yada. I want to go in with my Cover FX loose powder in the medium shade. It's the medium shade. Morphe M530 brush for contour, because I heard it's good for contouring, so we'll try it. But I'm using this palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, the medium to tan. Gonna contour my nose. Okay, so right here we're actually not gonna contour my nose. We're just gonna skip this through. If we want like a video just of a nose contour, I could totally do that. But this time it was just way too frustrating, so we're just gonna skip the whole thing. We're gonna leave it alone. What am I doing next? We're gonna do some eyes. We're gonna start with the eye. Ooh, bitch, I look pretty. I did my primer on my eyes, and then I put like some white in the waterline, just to, you know, open up my eyes a bit. And now we're gonna go in with the Soft Glam palette. I actually don't know what I want to do. I really don't. So I guess we'll start off with kind of like a base color. We're gonna start off with Orange Soda. You probably can't even see it, but whatever. It's there. Ooh, shit, pigmented. I forgot how like pigmented these are.
Hi, voiceover again. Yeah, sorry. So Orange Soda wasn't really working for me, so I switched to a different color. So yeah.
We're gonna go in with a different color. We're gonna go in with like the color Burnt Orange. I go with Burnt Orange. Maybe I'm going with the bigger brush too. We're gonna go into the color Sienna. So I really want this to be like a brown as fuck look. So we're really gonna go with these colors right here. So we're gonna go in with Sienna. And honestly, like, is my eye makeup game that strong? No, it's not. Do I look like I know what I'm doing? Probably not. Do I really give a fuck? Not really, as long as it looks good at the end. Ooh, que bueno. I'm just kidding, it's alright. Like, my skills alright, the palette's que bueno. Go in with the cut crease now. Okay. Now to set that, I'm going to use the color Tempera. Okay, we kind of getting somewhere. We're gonna go in with Mulberry. I like the color Mulberry. It looks a little fucked up, but when am I not a little fucked up? I'm gonna go with Cypress Umber. I'm liking it. I'm kind of liking it. It's very like muddy in the end, so I'm just gonna try to blend it all out with burnt orange. Yeah, I actually think I'm kind of done with the brows. I mean with the eyes. I'm gonna get some powder to clean up all the edges. Well, what I'm gonna do now is add some blush. I'm gonna add a nice little peaky blush, not too much. Go back into that Juvia's Place palette. Get that pinky one right here, corally pink. I don't know. With these, you gotta be careful because these are super like pigmented to the point where it's like. Also, you know, I'm also gonna get that orange color too. That one. I'm also gonna get that one. Tattoo or towel. We're gonna go with this Mario Badescu, whatever. Oh, get rid of this super dry feeling. I'm gonna use LeBron's by Jackie Aina, or by Artist Contour in collaboration with Jackie Aina. And then we're gonna go in with Master Chrome highlighter, molten gold. We're gonna use a Morphe M510 brush. I feel like it's not blending the way I want it to blend. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it was my error. Brush, because to me it's just like Cheapo Depot NYX brush, which is actually pretty good. I ain't going for it. We want some more. We always gonna add more. Fuck, like, I'm fucking gorgeous. Beautiful. Like, I'm gonna stay your man, so I'm gonna stay your mom, I'm gonna stay your dad, I'm gonna stay your girl, I'm gonna stay your homegirl, your homeboy. I look fucking good. Like, oh, bitch. Brown as fuck, Latin as fuck, Mexican magic. Oh, look at me. Oh, I'm not even done yet. That's the oh. Feel sorry for you bitches. Let me just get a little stuff so I can finish this look up. So I can stun on these hoes.
Yeah, so last voiceover, I forgot to film an outro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of shitty and it's probably super long. Totally my fault. I'll try to make these videos shorter. If y'all want to see more videos, just let me know. But yeah, here's some pictures of the end result.